You ready? Our second to last speaker is Valeria Ramirez from the Instituto de Physiologie Cellulaire in Mexico.
Thank you. I'm from Rosa Navarro's lab in Mexico City, in UNAM. So in our lab, we focus in the study of stress in the gonad of the C. elegans. In previous days, they already have talked us about this structure, but I just want you to remember that the cytoplasm shared by all these germ cells is called the rachis. And as I have already told you, that we focus in the study of stress in this structure. So this is what happened, the reaction of the gonad after some stressful condition, especially the heat shock. So we can see the increase of apoptotic curve, the reduction of the Raki size, and also the formation of stress granules. This is how we can see the apoptotic, the cell curves with the are reported with Z1 GFP and the strain, the strain TR1 GFP. Here is how the stress granules looks like. So in my project, I want to focus in the study of this stressful condition, but in all worms, at least worms lack of sperm, especially worms on 5 days old. So this is how we can see the formation of stress granules in in worms of just 1 day old. Um, this is how a control gonad looks like. We can see a little punta here. This could be because of meiotic arrest stress. And finally, this is how we can look the formation of the stress granules in 5-day-old worms gonad. In case of the Rockies, here is how it looks like the Rockies in control condition, and sorry, after the stress, this is how the Rockies size decrease. In all worms, something interesting is that the Rockies is already uh, decrease their size. And after the stressful condition, we didn't see any change in the size. And this is really interesting. Finally, in the case of apoptotic, this is this is what how we can see the increase of apoptotic the cell curves after an stressful condition. And this is in control condition. There is really no difference with the 1 day old worm. But after the stressful condition in this 5 day old worm, there is also no change in the cell curves numbers. So this is something also really interesting. Finally, my preliminary conclusions tell about the maybe this formation of stress granules in control gonad of 5-day-old worms could be because of the meiotic arrest, but the 5-day-old worms also are able to respond to the stress with these stress granules. Also, in the number of apoptotic cells, they can increase the apoptotic response, and this could be because of the slowing proliferation with age. Finally, the gonorrhea apparently is already in a stress because of the meiotic arrest, so that's this why they can shrink anymore. And with our perspective, we want to see what happened in in all worms. I mean that 12-day-old, because we want to see any difference in the stress granule formation. And finally, we also want to focus in other not just in germ cells, also in somatic cells. And that's all from my side. Thank you.